Hi folks, Jim Stewart from Stony Point Forge. Finally had to dish my old flip phone and upgrade to a smartphone, so I'm able to do videos now. Tonight I want to feature my DIY star belt grinder. It is a very customizable kit. Like I said, this grinder can be customized. This one has the pivot bracket to the back. My prototype, I've got it set up with a pivot bracket towards the front. And I built a belt grinder with a custom tube pivot arm, tracking arm assembly. And I built a custom base for it. This grinder is a little more robust with that square tube arm. Belt's tracked nice and straight and smooth down the middle of the wheels. Now, you don't have to, but I like to cut or countersink my holes and use flathead screws. There's plenty of belt clearance. You don't need to if you don't want to. But if you ever decide to go to a bigger drive wheel, you're going to need to clear these bolts right here. So it'd be a good idea to go ahead and just countersink the holes and use flathead screws on that. And like I said, the belt grinder can be bolted together. I bolted my square tube on with flathead screws. The plate package comes with holes already burned in. You'll need to, once you get your tube in place, you will need to drill in through the tube and tap at 5/16 18. That will be the mounting holes for all your bracketry. Now the plate package, or the frame package, comes with the pivot brackets, a bracket for the work table, and two bosses. You'll need to supply your own piece of square tube. Eventually I'll get into supplying square tube with the grinders, but right now I just can't do it. The base package, all bolts together, real simple. Just put a nut into the slot and bolt it together. You got a D plate and plate and bracket, and you got the pivot bracket and tracking arm. I went ahead and welded the gussets in place because, like I said, this is designed to be either a bolt together or a weld together grinder. I guess that's all I have for tonight. Thank you.